How to grow chili plant from seed in containers at home. Hi viewers, today we will discuss how to grow chili plant from seed in containers. The best season for planting chili seeds is the start of summer. Chili is a very basic part of our everyday dishes. They are easy to grow, can be grown in limited space like pots and baskets. One chili plant gives hundreds of chilies. If you have 5 to 6 plants of chilies, those will be good enough for you. I welcome you to my YouTube channel Gardening Aim. You can buy chili seeds from a nursery or seed shop. You can also take seeds from mature red chilies. Cut open chilies and extract seeds from them. But for any special variety of chili, you have to buy it from the seeds shop. Take small seedling cups and make drainage holes at the bottom. Fill them with the soil mix. You can use peat moss or just mix 50% garden soil, 25% sand and 25% compost or cattle waste. For making the mix more efficient, must use cocoa peat 25% instead of sand. Spread seed on soil evenly and cover them with soil mix. Give water in the seedling cup, and place them in a shady area. The result after 15 days. Very small seedling came out from the soil. Chili seedling takes 2 to 3 weeks to germinate. So don't worry if these are taking more time. After 30 days, I have shifted seedlings in different pots. Try to transplant them in the morning time to avoid transplant shock. You can see it is growing well. Always try to moist soil but don't overwater. Keep pot clear from weeds. Weeds are an unwanted plant that grows in pots and consumes energy of soil. When seedlings are 5 to 6 inches long, pinch the top growth of the plant. The plant will produce more branches. If plant have more side stems, then it will produce more chilies. After 45 days, plants have produced more side stems and looking bushier. If these branches will pinch, then more side stems will be produced by chili plant. If there is any dead leaf on the plant, just remove them. These leaves are affected by diseases early, and as a result, the whole plant got damaged. After 60 days, plants are on flowering and some initial fruit has started. Chili plants are self-pollinated by bees or air. If plants are in small containers, then keep 2 to 3 plants together for better pollination. Remove unwanted plants from container and mix soil every 2 weeks with any tool or small stick around the plant by keeping plant roots safe. This process provides air to roots and decreases water logging issues. After every 18 to 20 days, add organic compost to the soil. It will fulfill plants' nutrients requirements and gives a boost to plants. Give water to the plant with a shower. Overwatering is dangerous for plants, and as a result flowers will drop. So water when the soil just feels dry. Give water to plant just to survive. After some days, plants will be ready to produce more fruit. Keep the plant in sunlight for 6 to 8 hours.